Let's test Affinity together. Let's see how text on a pet works and also try the cat too. Thank you Affinity for saluting the cat lovers. Let's create a pet. I'll just use the pen tool. This is my first time using Affinity, so it isn't quite smooth. I'll just adjust with the note tool. It's nice. We are using the artistic text tool. Have your eyes on a cursor before you click. We can use any font or any font size or color. I love those triangles. It's just so easy to adjust the text on the pad. Just move the inner and the outer triangles to adjust the text. Starting and ending points. There are 4 triangles. The green are starting points, the red are ending points of the text. Just play around with them and we will get used to it. This has came quite nice. I love it. Maybe change the color. White will do. In the Affinity we have more shapes to choose, so we have a heart shape ready made. And the famous cat too, that is useless like a real cat, but we love it just like a real cat. Thank you and subscribe.
Thank you all!